For more than 2 centuries, the name Catherine the Great has been inseparable from a single grotesque image: the Empress of Russia crushed beneath the weight of an imperial stallion, dying in the throes of an unspeakable perversion. Schoolchildren still whisper it. Late-night comedians still repeat it. The internet treats it as fact. But the truth is far darker and far more revealing. There was never a horse. There was never a secret harness in the Winter Palace stables. There was never a crushed pelvis or a frantic cover-up by terrified courtiers. The entire story was invented after Catherine was already dead, crafted with surgical precision to destroy the reputation of the most successful female ruler Europe had ever seen. Yet the lie endured because the reality was almost as scandalous. Catherine did maintain what her enemies called a secret stable, not of animals, but of men. Want the rest of this tale, and dozens more, to tuck you in tonight? Hit the link in the description, subscribe to the channel, and let every full-length story carry you off to sleep.